Advaygarwal, and today I'll take another quiz. Quiz number 2, also about animals. And I'm just explaining you again. I created this quiz because I wanted people to learn more about animals, especially wild animals. So here, these are the papers I have made. So first question is, where do these animals live? Match the animals to the correct places. Okay, so jaguar. Jaguar, red panda, hippo, tiger and bisons are the animals. And the continents are and the continents and countries are India, South America, China, North America and Africa. S America means South and N America means North. Okay? I'm just naming it short form. Okay? And I'll give you 10 seconds for this. And then I'll tell you the answers. Yes! So, now answer is jaguar, South America. Jaguars are only found in South and Central America. Then red panda, China. It's not a panda, but it belongs to its own family, Alpuardae, and it lives in China. Next, hippo, Africa. Hippos are very dangerous. They are known to kill 500 to 600 people every year in Africa. Next, tiger, India. And most tigers are found in India. Not all, just the Malaysian tiger, the South Chinese tiger, the Sumatran tiger, the Siberian tiger are all the tigers living outside India, means Asia. Okay, so bison, North America. Bisons can be found in North America, also in India, but I just want to hear the popular name, popular continent that they live. Wild bisons live in North America. Next question. Pick the correct answer. Which animal here is a wildcat? Can you guess? It's a snow leopard. A snow leopard is a leopard, but its spots are hidden. It's white in color. Okay. So now next, which animal lives in India? Coyote the answer? No. Rattlesnake the answer? No. Langur the answer? I think. An octopus the answer? In the oceans, but in the Indian country, no. So langur is the right answer. Next, which animal is venomous? Gila monster? I think so. Roadrunners? No. Think. Civets? No. But civets poo is made to coffee. Because they eat choco beans. Bullfrog? No. So the correct answer is Gila monster. Now, we are going to describe this animal. I'll give you 10 seconds to figure out which animal is this. Okay, tell me. Okay, so could you guess which animal this is? This is a leopard. This is an African leopard. How do you describe this? A leopard is a wild, big cat. It lives in Asia and Africa. It is very dangerous. It has got whiskers like other cats, and it has got spots, and is known to attack humans. Next, bonus questions. Right. Okay, so we have this. What is a snake? Can you tell me? So, what is a snake? Can you tell me? I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, so you can search the answers. What is a snake? Now, what is a bird of prey? I'll tell you what is a snake. A snake is a reptile. Reptiles are animals that lay eggs. Reptiles include snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles, and tortoises, and more. So, a snake can be venomous or non-venomous. The two types of snakes, the three types of snakes are cobras, in which include the Indian and king cobra, pit vipers, the Chakra pit viper, and palm pit viper, and constrictors such as boas and python and anacondas. So now, what is a bird of prey? You can again ask Google, what is a bird of prey? A bird of prey is a bird that hunts other animals. Prey. Did you know the largest? There are 5 types of bird of prey: owls, hawks, falcons, eagles, and vultures. Also, kites are there. Okay. So, a bird of did you know the largest owl, the Eurasian eagle owl, can hunt prey as large as a deer? Wow! Isn't that amazing? Now, last question. What is an animal? So you can again ask Google. An animal is a living thing which has got cells inside it. Animals can be herbivores, omnivores, scavengers, insectivores, or carnivores. Now 5 types. Okay. So animals can be warm-blooded and cold-blooded. So this was about the quiz. I hope you liked this video. Please help my video to become more popular by and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button to subscribe word written on it. So until the next video, bye bye.